Hello, cherry viewers. Welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Mama call about Sandy Home Recipe. Send the edikan I will share a video. Remember rem so subscribe. Now I share. Now I like. No me notification bell no. Say the video be 2 hours abeka. And if you say be blueberry muffin, be use 200-gram butter, 2 tablespoons sugar. Now you the web bit. We now the 1 egg then abogum. Now the 1 teaspoon vanilla the akaho. Now we beat it. We are now the 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt. Now I then we beat it. We are now the 1/4 cup milk akaho. Now I persuade it. Please, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also click the bell icon to get new videos when we post. What the 1/2 cup blueberry then akaho. Now I'm mixing it all together. We are now going to then we baking pan. Put the sugar kakra then egugu and your optional pound fire then can we baking 180 for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes no way you know serving. Send the can mo share video match one we fit some subscribe. Na ma share, na ma like, na ma notification bell say the video be 2 hours abeka. Now this our blueberry muffin. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.